Are you tired of living in the shadows, waiting for the perfect moment to make your mark? Stop waiting. It's time to cultivate a legacy of impact. You don't need a grand stage or a massive following. All you need is a fierce determination to create meaningful change in your sphere. Start small. Doesn't matter if it's mentoring a kid down the street or launching a community project. Every action counts. It's not always about the end goal, and it's about the journey and the lives you touch along the way. Embrace discomfort. Growth happens when you push through the fear of failure. The world is desperate for leaders who are not afraid to speak up and take action. Your voice matters, your actions matter, and your dreams matter. Make noise, challenge the status quo, and ignite the passion in others. Surround yourself with like-minded warriors who are ready to rise and challenge the ordinary. Be the spark that lights the fire. When you shift your mindset to one of impact, you unleash an unstoppable force within you. So go out there and leave a mark that echoes through time, because a life lived for others is a life truly worth living.